Okay, we're going. How do I share my video? Hold on. Wow, a lot of people are live right now. There we are. All right. So, New York session opens up in about 14 minutes. Expect a lot of volatility. It is a Wednesday. I kind of have all my TA set up, ready to go on Bitcoin. I'll just kind of update it on Solana and just kind of organize and see what's going on with the order flow right now. If we turn on open interest right now, just been kind of going sideways. There was a large decrease in open interest, especially since the stop loss hunt up here. A lot of shorts gotten taken out. So very, very interesting. Right now, just going towards the emergent sessions, we do have a open or a naked session point of control at around 32K. Naked daily point of control just below us at around 30,575. Then of course the order flow, which I'm just kind of analyzing on the 50-minute. I'll go kind of organize and break this down. So I'm just going to turn on open interest. And here you can see a nice increase in open interest as price is increasing. So mainly just a buyers stepping in. It's mainly controlled the buyers. However, we're going sideways and open interest is kind of decreasing, so that's kind of bearish. I would like to see for this to continue in an uptrend. I'd like to see more buyers step up. And lately, there has been a good amount of buyers, but lately these are just like stop loss hunts. As you can see right here, a lot of delta in volume. However, if we go to the net shorts, you can see it was just mainly just shorts getting stopped out, and mainly longs getting stopped out too. So longs probably closing their positions, taking profits. So it'll be interesting to see what the New York session brings. 1 hour, just kind of the same thing. Open interest kind of decreasing as prices kind of going sideways. Slightly bearish. However, it's nothing to be too worried about. Just not too many shorts really coming in, nor are there too many longs coming in. At the moment right now, just a bunch of longs closing and some shorts coming in. So it'll be interesting to see what's going on. So again, I'd like to use the 4 hour, 1 hour, and 15-minute time frame just to kind of organize open interest and see what's going on, organizing the strength of the market and seeing what's going on. Right now I did do my TA, just drew a golden pocket from the swing high up here, the swing low right here, have a wick from this high and a wick right here, just keeping note of that. I did draw a fixed volume profile just on the y-axis, and we've just been trading in this range right now. Right now we're getting a rejection off of the valley area high. Just not much confluence with it, so I usually don't trade those alone. But we do have that naked session point of control at around a golden pocket, so that could be interesting. Could be a short trade that I'm looking to take at the moment. Long trade, again, is this July valley area low with the range valley area low. That has been a support and support flip for quite some time. Very strong support. And again, with that July valley area low, we do have that major point of control. So I do expect this to be a little bit bullish as do we come up to the resistance of the point of control. It may act like a magnet. However, I am interested in shorting at this golden pocket region or this wick region. just local resistances that I am looking at the moment. What's going on? This is actually might be one of the rare times that I can actually trade the US Open, but anyways, just doing it. We'll see how it goes. Might be a little bit slow opening up, but I'll just kind of comment through the Mac. I'll just kind of comment through the what's going on with Exocharts and kind of the price as the New York session kind of opens. Going to Solana, I'll just kind of update and do some TA based off of this. Again, I don't like to use too old of naked sessions. No longer than 7 days old. I'm just gonna go towards the Solana. There is a lot more altcoins to choose from on the desktop version. However, I'm just using the web version for now. I'll slowly migrate my my templates over there, but again, we'll see what happens. So we got a naked session out around 47.38. Let me just clone this guy. Suppose we can drew a fixed volume range from this beginning right here. We're getting nice confluence with a valley area high possibly, and again, I like to mark out the wicks for possible swing failure patterns. That seems to happen a lot. I do like swing failure patterns, like trading them. Over the weekend I was trading them, and again, it's really not the ideal thing you want to see on the weekends since it's such low volume, so it's kind of more like gambling, I'd say. But nevertheless. So yeah, this wick has a nice 0.5 fib level. We are bouncing from it, so could be a possibility we get a second swing failure pattern, take out the liquidity from that. But I'll just delete that old naked session point of control. Still have this naked weekly point of control. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, above us we do have a naked daily point of control. I'll definitely mark that out. 46.25. Okay, that's coming in with the point of control of that range. So confluence there, possible short. Again, this is on the FTX, so it's not exact to the dollar, but with Solana, it's close enough. So not much going on there. I'll take a look at the order flow. Even though I kind of use the Bitcoin order flow, I don't know why it keeps on resetting the tick sizes on me, but again, this is kind of a weak move up. Open interest decreasing. Again, open interest not really doing much. I swear I keep on marking these out, but I guess it's not really saving it. Oh well. I'll do like 50 tick here. And again, low open interest, low interest, so this is slightly bearish. It's kind of hard to tell. I'll go back to the 15 minute and 5 minute. I'll use 15 tick here. So yeah, it's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Right now we're getting kind of a fake pump just before that New York Open. Hold on, let me go to the Bitcoin. Right here. All right. Alright, so some longs stepping in. I wouldn't trade this. You'll see what I mean. Kind of sitting on my hands right now. I hope my volume's okay. Oop. So yeah, I'm definitely looking for a short at this level right here. Again, the 5-minute time frame is kind of my execution time frame, along with the 3-minute. I don't really take a look at the 1 minute too much, unless I guess it's for swing failure patterns. But oh yeah, let's take a look at single prints. This template I love to use just for looking at buying tails and selling tails. As you can see below us, we do have a 3-row size buying tail. It's kind of weak. I usually like to see a 5+ size buying tail, so this selling tail is somewhat strong. About 7 rows here. This previous selling tail right here, 15, so that's very, very strong. Typically with buying tails and selling tails, again, you want to see kind of a retest of that level. Not necessarily another swing failure pattern taking out that wick right there, but again, just coming into that buying tail, selling tail zone. So you can think of it as like a support and resistance range, and just kind of retesting that, and then again, reacting off of that. That typically just shows you that there are large players defending that level. So that's what I pretty much use this template for. Again, I do use it for single prints or fair value gaps, Forex traders call. But again, we have a single print right here, only a row size of 4, not too significant. I wouldn't bother putting this on my chart, but these are very significant, I'd say. Usually, you don't want to really mark down single prints that are older than a week. So again, I still have these on my chart. They are from the 29th of May. So about 3 days. If it comes really on next Sunday, I'd probably delete them on that Monday. So again, just something to do. Oh, for Exocharts, sorry. I don't really use TradingView, I guess. But I guess the 3-minute, let me go back to the Bitcoin. The 5-minute is like my go-to execution time frame, or where I really base my trades off of. But again, that I like to do kind of a domino effect, I'd say, with order flow. So again, I'll take a look at weekly, kind of see what's going on here. Slight open interest increase, work my way down to the daily, zoom out a little bit. Again, I'm just mainly looking at open interest, so this right here, and then what price is doing, kind of. So as we got this move up a little bit, increase in open interest. Again, I don't really think too hard about it. I get more in depth when it comes down to the 4-hour. So right here, nice open interest increase, price is increasing. Price is kind of going down. It was kind of going down. So open interest was kind of increasing, so that's kind of bearish. Kind of have a bearish bias based off of the 4-hour. 1 hour, again, kind of going sideways, so it's kind of hard to tell right here, I'd argue that we are in kind of a downtrend. Open interest kind of decreasing. However, with these moves up, we've been seeing an increase in open interest, meaning strong buying power. But for the region, or the reason why this rejected off of like a swing failure pattern, was again going back towards the single prints and buying tails. So this large buying tail, there was still large buyers kind of defending this level. So again, whenever you see, again, don't trade just based off of the buying tails and selling tails of what's going on. Just use it as extra confirmation, I guess. But it is quite useful, especially when you have a large row of selling tail in this example, a row size of 15. So that is significant to keep in mind of. Whereas when you have a buying tail or selling tail, small row size like this, 3, it's not really too significant unless you get a retest of this and then we pump up. So anyways, New York session has just opened. I will go towards the 15-minute. Let's see what's going on. Let's see. Come on, load. You can't do this to me when I'm live. Okay. So again, open interest increasing, prices increasing. I expect this to be kind of a fool's pump. Usually first 5 minutes are kind of nuts. I've been using Market Cipher for like macro analysis. So I use Market Cipher for like if there's like a 4-hour div or weekly div, daily div, monthly div. I use it for swing trading mainly, I guess. So again, kind of the fool's pump, getting rejection off of somewhat the previous day value area high. Trap longs, question mark. Trap longs right here. Kind of dumping down right now. So yeah, we rejected off of that 0.5 fib right now. Might come down to this VWAP / daily point of control. So again, this point of control right here. Again, price likes to trade at a fair value. Again, point of control is, you can think of where price likes to be. It's its comfort zone, quote unquote. So again, we're just kind of waiting right now. It is a Wednesday. I heard there's a rumor that Biden might be talking to Pavel, the Fed money printer guy. But that might increase the volatility. So this will be interesting. This will be interesting. I've never been live during a Volatile Wednesday, so this is kind of new to me, but I'll do my best to kind of commentate. Sorry, I'm getting a little distracted, but again, we're just waiting patiently. I'll update my range here. I love doing TA based off of the 24-minute on TradingView. It's perfect for like a day trade. But then when I'm actually kind of sort of executing, I'll actually go down to the 3-minute. I'll kind of show what I mean when I actually get into this short trade right here. We'll patiently go into it. Right now I'm not really sure if we're gonna come up there, but nevertheless, let me see here. Long, short. So that is option. Those are my options right now. I think we're gonna come up here. So yeah, we're just waiting patiently right now. See what's going on. Nothing too exciting right now. Shorts are piling in. Again, I don't really look at the order book too much. Most of it's spoof orders, so meaning people just set like quote unquote fake orders there just to scare off like newbies trying to trade. Oh, we're dumping. Oh, we're shorting. So they'll put up like fake sell and buy walls just to scare people. But other than that, I don't really look at it too much. I'll show you, I'll kind of do an example when I'm kind of going into a trade with it. See here. No absorption right now. Again, with D-bars, the CVD, I look for hidden divergences. T size I don't really look at too much. People kind of overthink it. And then CS, it's just extra thinking in my opinion. CS, instead of using that, I just look at the footprint bar stats. So again, cumulative volume delta, my volume, and then my delta. Occasionally, I'll flip over the volume chart. Let's kind of look at this. Again, I like to see low trade counts and quick time, short time. It's mainly what I look for. And then I guess how small the candle is. Smaller the candle, the more volume it is, because it's a volume candle. So right now, just kind of low volume. Right now we are rejecting off of that. I'm not too comfy with getting in a short right now. Okay, open interest is increasing as shorts are coming in. Meaning more shorts. Bears are in control right now. Longs are coming. Let's see here, yeah, longs are coming in. Shorts closing. Most of this isn't really worth taking trades. Again, it's like trades that you have to take like in seconds. It's mainly bots, mainly. Still a decent amount of buyers. Alright, so a bunch of longs coming in here. Just being patient right now. Turn off that 0.5. Yeah, just being patient right now. Check to see what Solana is doing. Again, not much going on. Okay. Just kind of patiently waiting still. It's a lot of waiting. Probably in about 17 minutes it'll get very interesting. We'll see how it's going, but right now looks like people are coming into the market. Typical New York open, New York session open. Mainly buyers are in control right now, I'd say. May come down to the point of control here. Yeah, we might wick down to the point of control. It likes to hover around the VWAP and daily point of control here. See what's going on. So the S&P is kind of rejecting right now. A lot of shorts coming in, it looks like. Huge volume candle. We'll see what the VIX is doing. VIX looks like it could pump. Okay, nothing too significant here. Just a decrease in open interest here. Wow. Red dot on the VIX. Typically you want to see the VIX have low volatility. As you can see, whenever we did have large volatility was again when the market kind of dumps. So again, the middle of March 2020 crash, and then of course the March crash recently, and then of course the Bitcoin top, which was about right here. Dow Jones, Dow theory, typically a leading indicator. Right now, stock market got a nice bounce, relief rally kind of off of the 382. Typically in bull markets, price likes to retest the 382 a lot. So I'm not really sure if this is still in a bullish market structure. It's still a bearish market structure. Again, lower low, lower high. So again, kind of interesting there. I don't really look at the stock market too much. It is correlated with Bitcoin for now, even though a lot of Bitcoin maxis, quote unquote, would hate me for saying that. But this is a home builders index. Let's see what's going on here. So again, kind of busted through that 382. 0.5 fib levels, stocks like 0.5 fibs. So maybe we'll retest that. Could get another second swing failure pattern, so a quick retest of that. Be interesting. And then of course Bitcoin, we'll go back to that. So we broke through the daily point of control, again coming towards this support level here. Just kind of looking at that. So this is support level number 1 that I'd like to trade. A lot of confluence here. And then of course maybe a second swing failure pattern. I'm not really sure if this is totally ideal. But again, we do have a lot of momentum, so I don't really expect too big of a pullback. But again, we'll be prepared for it. Right now, open interest kind of looks like it wants to drop as people are closing longs right now. Shorts coming in isn't really ideal. I want to see more shorts. This is mainly just people closing longs. That's the reason for the imbalances, the selling imbalances here. And this kind of the negative delta. So again, that's kind of why I like to look at net longs and net shorts in a way. Just to see what's happening behind sort of the curtain. So yeah, we're gonna drop down a little bit. Again, we got this range here. Not too significant though. So the supports are as follows: 0.5 fib around 30,600, golden pocket and a single print beginning at around 30,000 roughly. And then if we break through this, really do expect us to come down towards the weekly right here and the single prints kind of ending or being filled. So that's if we end up losing this support.
So yeah,
we're waiting. I do expect it to be action packed in the next 10 minutes. Again, in my opinion, I think it's all controlled by Wall Street, but Wall Street, Goldman Sachs, all that jazz. So again, we're just being patient right now. Good amount of volume here. I think it was just mainly people closing out longs. So this 3 or this 0.5 could be a possibility. Could be a chance that we never retest these single prints if this is a true powerful uptrend for now. Plus this would be kind of a support resistance flip if we do come down this far. Again, this range right here, a lot of resistance. So we retest the old resistance, act as support, and then come up. So that's another possibility to keep in mind. So this is bearish. Price decreasing, open interest increasing. So yeah, possibility that we do come down here in about T-minus 7 minutes. The chat is pretty quiet, but we're slowly getting there. So if we do come down a little bit more, another 0.5% move, so not much on Bitcoin. How far of a move would that be? 1.5%. If we come down to this, so about 3%. Okay. Hey. Alright, so we're bouncing off the daily. Again, I'm not too confident. There's like no confluence here, so that's why I don't really like to trade that. But yeah, it'll get interesting soon. See here, shorts coming in. So this might actually play out. I do expect this to come down. We're now kind of back testing the valley area high. I'm coming down, I'm coming down. Dropping down. S&P is kind of pumping, kind of going sideways right now. Okay, good amount of volume here on the open. I haven't tried trading with Jason's bot, no. I was trying to like build my own bot, but again, trying to code with Market Cipher is a little bit tricky. I was doing some back testing, and like the bot for, I guess, a divergence was kind of lagging. So divergence bots are kind of hard to do. But yeah, I haven't really touched looking at a bot or trading with a bot in a while. I do have good ideas for a bot, but his bot looks pretty cool. It looks somewhat easy to use. It looks like you can do just momentum waves, or you can do money flow. Move your stop loss to entry. Move your stop losses around, have custom take profits. So that's pretty cool. Okay. Sorry, my allergies are kind of bothering me right now. That's why I kind of sound nasally. But again, just looking at the volume decreasing, and it is a Wednesday. So it'd be interesting to see a volume breakout. It's the only time I actually use breakouts is a volume breakout. But right now, I do expect a move to a downside, possibly. It's kind of 50-50. Overall, I think there's more shorts than longs at the moment. Oh, I could be wrong. Alright, longs are coming in. Alright, get ready. Here we go. Get ready. Which way we're gonna go? Really not sure. Alright, we're going down possibly. This might change a lot, so we're now kind of at support of a VWAP. Alright. The longs are closing. Some shorts coming in. Looks like A little bit more longs closing. Let me go down to the 5 minute. Open interest increasing as prices coming down. So yeah, arguably this is bearish. Again, I'm looking at this region right now. We're just waiting. Okay. Yep, we're just waiting right now. Low volume. Might go up to the upside. God, it's so hard to tell. Let's see here. Alright, so we might come up to the resistance and dump. My phone is being dumb right now. Again, it doesn't really seem like this was support. Yeah, longs are coming in. This actually is pretty surprising. Good amount of longs coming in. Projecting off the previous day equilibrium. Again, more longs are coming in. Good delta. Looks like my phone is just updating right now. Again, I'm kind of sitting on my hands right now. Where do you enter at? Right here? I'm usually not good at that advice, man. I don't know where your entry is. So you're gonna be about a 6% move. So you probably longed way down here. Or actually, I'll just reverse engineer. So you're, no, I wouldn't close it. you longed about right here, roughly, give or take, on this breakout. So now I want to close it. My phone is being really dumb right now. Usually right now it's about the time we start looking for positions. However, my phone is being really dumb. But nevertheless, I'll just alright, good amount of shorts coming in. Holy. I think these are just long skinning. Alright. Good amount of shorts coming in. Being patient. Yeah, that's kind of the standard IT procedure to go to. Reboot your phone. Reset your PC. Try exiting in and out of the program. So typically with strong moves down, or directions in general, you want to see open interest going with the move. So increasing as the price is moving up or down. In this case, as we're dropping down, open interest is decreasing. So this is kind of a weak move per se, unless we really get some shorts piling in. But right now, you can see as we're moving down, it's mainly just a stop loss hunt at the moment. Just kind of coming down. We're coming down to this region right here. Again, I'm gonna go down towards the 3-minute time frame. Look for kind of what's going on. Now getting relief rally coming down. Again, open interest decreasing. Longs looks like are getting stopped out. Again, remember, we need a short trade to close out a long trade at a market order. So again, the clusters are mainly just looking at market orders, not limit orders. So we're coming down. Just scrolling down, daily valley area low. Previous day valley area low. This is a possibility that we come down. Just trading inside the previous day valley area, along with the valley area of today. So just kind of a even distribution day, stock traders would call it. Yeah, I expect us to kind of come down a little bit more. Looks like there's not really absorption going on. Let me kind of zoom in here. Looks like longs are coming in. Let me zoom out a little bit here. Update this guy. Again, I'm looking at a support right here. Don't preset limits here. Yeah, my phone is still being dumb. It's whatever. It's whatever. We paper trade anyways on the channel. We paper trade. Right now, I'm not convinced of opening a paper trade long position right now. Even though looks like there is some longs coming in, shorts closing. I think it's just mainly shorts taking profits from their scalps up here. Again, there's a lot, in my opinion, there are trap traders up here, so they are underwater. There is with trap traders, they can either close out their position or end up just being liquidated. Looks like some of them just chose to be liquidated, but either the case, again, kind of coming down. I do expect pivot pretty time soon in the next few minutes. This is getting kind of interesting. So again, just zooming out right now. I'll actually drop down to the 3-minute time frame on my TradingView account and just kind of zoom in on price. But right now, in my opinion, I think we're gonna come down to here. Just kind of a waiting game right now. I want to see volume dying down, meaning the momentum of the move is kind of dying down. Again, you can think of volume as a momentum kind of indicator. And again, it's buys and sells right now, in my opinion. Shorts are still kind of in control. Again, it's mainly just a stop loss hunt at the moment. Alright, longs are coming in. Wow, oh, never mind. Shorts. Big short order right there. See what the S&P is doing. S&P dropping down. Getting closer, be patient. Looks like more shorts are coming in. It's not really looking good. I want to see volume decreasing. So I kind of want to see it stagnating. And this is 5-minute. I'll drop down to the 3-minute on order flow. Again, I don't really want to see this candle be more than 12 million volume. Okay, yeah, I'm not really interested in this anymore. Just a giga candle of shorts piled in. Again, I kind of want to see volume dying here. Okay. We're waiting a little bit. Again, I want to see that volume dying. Volume it stayed the same, so I guess that's kind of good. However, that delta just makes me worry. I'm quickly gonna peek at the buying tail. So again, a retest of the buying tail would be around 31,300. Going back here. So buying tail. Okay, so we might get a swing failure pattern on these lows right here. With the looks of it, yeah, there's no way I'm taking a long right here. Yeah, there's just way too much momentum to the downside right now. Swing failure pattern on that low right there, but I do expect this low to be taken out. Let me just kind of organize that. So here we go. Or this one. Again. Ooh. Yeah, no more buying tail there. Let me zoom in here. So we are at a previous day value area low. I'm not convinced. Volume is increasing. No way I would long right now. Nice. Yeah, I'm looking right here. I don't want to see a candle like this where we're getting 12 million volume on right here. However, it looks like buyers are somewhat interested in this. Good stacked longs coming in, trapping these shorts. I wouldn't be excited for a long quite yet. This too could be just mainly people taking profit. Yeah, as open interest is decreasing. So a lot of people just taking profit right now. go down the 5 minute. Nice. Okay, I'm getting interested. 50 minutes still looks like shit. One hour looks like shit. Alright. So this is looking good. Strange, man. I like seeing this. Okay, good. Still being a little bit patient. Again, I'm just kind of, I guess you can say, copying what the big money is doing right now. But volume is dying out. That is good. 5 minute double check. I don't want to see huge volume candle in the 5 minute. This 20 million volume right here it's kind of scary. Very good. If you're an aggressive trader, right now, that's if you're aggressive. Again, more risky, but that's if you're aggressive. I'm not taking that though. No paper trades yet. I love to see this, so that is good. Volume dying, good. I do expect this to come down a little bit lower. Alright. Very well. What do I give someone? Strange. Okay. Volume dying. Yeah. Shit. This is a large stop loss hunt. I'm not too interested in this. Nice. Yeah, I think we're gonna keep on busting through support, especially with the amount of volume coming in. I really want to see volume decreasing if we were to take a long. But there's a lot of strength to the downside, it seems. Even though it looks like there's a ton of longs coming in. Yeah. Still be interesting to see these lows taken out way down here. Will that happen? I don't know. Yeah, I think we're gonna lose this. Just way too much volume. Yeah, shit. I think we missed our chance. Rejection off the previous day equilibrium. Somewhat of the daily open. I don't know. It's not a trade I would take. See what the SPX is doing. Again, the same type deal. Ooh, a swing failure pattern. Again, it could be a possibility we take out these lows right here. Drop down another 10 points. Do you know Korean Sado? I don't know what that is, so no. Why use Bybit to view this? No other changes. Index. Yeah, I guess I could start using like Bitfinex, but nah. That's just something I don't really know much about. I use Bybit because I trade Bybit, I guess. I am using like the FTX naked pointer controls for Solana because of Exocharts web version, but yeah. Holy schmoly, this is going to be a long stream. I usually cut this stream whenever I have to use the bathroom, pretty much. But we'll keep on going. Yeah, we couldn't come down to this daily. Broke through this wick. Wow. Could probably short right now. Shitload of volume. It's a large stop loss hunt. Yeah, very big selling right now. I'm looking at this region, I suppose. And then I guess the S&P really this region. But we did take out a swing failure pattern of this liquidity. I'm not really sure how significant that'd be. But this daily makes much more sense, as it was kind of resistance and support for a while. Just an insane amount of volume and negative delta. Again, I'm just kind of taking it level to level. I do expect this to come down more. Just a massive stop loss hunt. Good amount of long liquidations too. All right, buying teal. Was that the guy who was got liquidated live on stream? He got liquidated like back in like March or something, if I remember right. He had a very large position open. Very large. Yeah, Moonboy's getting wiped out. I'm not really sure where this is. This drop down was too. It doesn't really make any sense of a support level. This is mainly just people taking profits on their shorts. Kind of went past the previous day low. Yeah, that's what I thought. Is he still going? Props to him to keep on trading after such a big loss like that publicly. Posting your trades publicly is just like a whole new level of confidence in trading. Because people tend to they tend to remember the few losses you take compared to like if you have a lot of wins. But yes, I expect us to kind of come down lower. Again, I'd be cautious because of the buying tail, and we're going past a previous day. However, it's not really too much significant support. Wednesdays are so interesting. Oh, he was liquidated today and yesterday. Oh, man. Oh, that's gotta be so painful. Let me know if he's live right now. We'll pull him on stream. Okay, people taking profit on those shorts. Let's see here. I don't know if you can hear that, but let's see here. Oh my god. He's in a this guy's a champ. His liquidation price is 30,000. Guy's a champ. Let's see here, where would that be? Is that at support? Wow. I can't really read Korean, but hold on, let me We're just waiting. At least he's somewhat getting money, like donations. But, what a guy. He's somewhat in profit and on his waves, so that's kind of carrying him. $30,720. See where that is. That'd be brutal if he gets liquidated. Video capture. Boom, 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 boom. Anyways, let's see what's going on here. Again, just way too much freaking volume. So yeah, he might get liquidated on stream. There's so much volume right there. That's insane. Plus, it doesn't really look like any buyers are really stepping up. It's people taking profits. See how Solana is holding up. Okay, we're at a naked daily or naked weekly point of control. Let me just delete all this old junk. Barely bouncing out of golden pocket. Oh man, he's gonna go underwater again. I'll be hitting that vape like no other. Pretty funny though. Thank you for pointing him out to me. I actually know who he is somewhat. But yeah, volume kind of decreasing. However, this 65 million on this candle, it's not too promising. And shorts are coming in as open interest is increasing, so. Again, I'm not really too sure of a trend reversal anytime soon. Very interesting though. Just kind of comparing apples to apples. So yeah, he might actually get liquidated on stream. Poor guy, it's like midnight. Some of these traders though, the foreign traders, they're like nocturnal, man. I talked to a few in India. They never sleep. They're dedicated. Pretty interesting because 25 or about 20% of my audience is Indian. So yeah, he's underwater over everything. Let's see here. I'm just mainly looking at his Bitcoin liquidation price on 50x leverage. 30,720. We do have a naked daily point of control and a 0.5 fib level at around 30,550. So again, looks like SIM prices kind of rebounding, getting good volume based off of that. Net longs are somewhat coming in. Again, I'm not really too convinced of this because of the 65 million. There is a large buying tail. I like seeing that buying tail. So my reasons if I were to long right now would be large liquidations, especially if we go to the 1 hour. Here you can see the large purple circle in my case of longs being liquidated. So that is a bullish sign. As you can see, whenever there are bearish liquidations, price does pump, kind of change in direction. I'll just go down to the 5 minute, or actually 50 minute. Again, right here. Just going down to the 5 minute. Another reason would be very good delta coming in and open interest increasing with that in candle with the net longs. So that's really just the three reasons if I were to long right now. But what's stopping me from it is this right here, the negative delta and the volume. But these stacked buying imbalances and trapping all these shorts right here, that is bullish. Wow, okay, he's not underwater anymore. He lost 100,000 today. I do like to see this though. Alright, fuck it. Here we are. I'm taking this. Not the best entry, but let's see here. Hold on, Solana, I might long that too. Okay, I'll long Solana. Again, we're just paper trading, not financial advice. But at least up to that wick, looks like a pretty good paper trade to me. at my buy and tails. This is kind of a more high risk, but nevertheless. Where was my... Oh, 10 o'clock. Yeah, CryptoFace probably live streamed them too. I don't have a short open. Slight absorption. Alright, buddy, I'm with ya. We're longing together. This is not looking good. Been long for days, yeah. I want to see a retest of this buy and tail. Fuck, this is brutal. You know, I think we're just gonna get a second swing failure pattern. Being on stream just kind of puts pressure on, but it's a weak buying tail. Fuck. Lots of buys at, yeah. Again, it is a sort of a support. It's a 0.5. Other than that, I don't really look at heat maps too much. This is a riskier trade, definitely. Again, yeah, I don't really look at order books. There's so many like push-pull orders. But if you trade that way, good for you. I'm not gonna stop your style of trading. Again, I want to see more delta. So far, so good. Just kind of moderating it. So 3 minute and 5 minute have absorption going on. Good delta here. Okay, we're at break even again. Maybe someone's counter trading me. But 32,000, yeah. Going to Exocharts. It's a naked session point of control. So again, untapped liquidity right here. So it makes sense. A lot of volume traded here. Fuck, shorts are coming in. Yeah, it's just a broad range. Again, 31,975 to 32,000. So they're probably at this candle right here. Hate it when I have the magnet tool on. But stop loss is right there. How long have we been streaming? Almost 2 hours? Okay. This guy started out at the same time as me. Good amount of buying out of this. But yeah, very, very interesting. Yeah, this trade is shit. Pretty sure I'm gonna be like this guy getting wrecked. Not sure if this is like huge donations or not. Probably. I don't know. Back at break even. So the plan is, if I do end up being wrong about this trade, do get stopped out at this wick, if we do get another swing failure pattern of that wick, again, I want to see less volume on that swing failure pattern. If I were to re-long, want to see a lot less, so there's a good chance that could happen. Right now it's not really looking too good, not gonna lie. 2000, oh, okay. Just as some more hopium. This could be like a kind of an up and under type deal. See, we're getting a nice deviation at here from support. Right here, we're getting a very nice deviation. Right now, we just kind of stopped out a lot of people who trade the breakout of this. Of like this wick. Eventually, when we did bust through that, a lot of people who just kind of long this up into this range. So we just kind of possibly came back and stopped a lot of people out from right here. So that's kind of why there's a ton of liquidations. But again, that's just hopium. The good thing is that we have a buying tail. Just a tiny buying tail though. Do we have a single print up here? Yeah, again, I got a really bad entry on this. See if things kind of head south here. This is not looking good. Wouldn't it be a bad idea to probably close out? I have a feeling we're gonna have another swing failure pattern. Yeah, this is a red flag. Alright, I closed out of them. Again, I still think we're gonna take out this. Yeah, there's shorts coming in. Let's see here. He has a lot of junk on his screen. Does this guy even do TA, man? I think he just yo the longs all the time. Yeah, down we go. Here they come. Alright. Well, let's watch this guy get liquidated. He's using like Bollinger Bands. Yeah, no way. I think we go down. Yeah, we go down. It go down. But yeah, let's watch this. He's down about $7,000 right now. Yeah, down we go. Holy smoly. He's down $8,500. Eventually, I want to get like a nice thing that pops up for subscribers, but we'll get there. We'll get there, guys. The buying tail could be this guy, to be honest. $2 million long. But yeah, we're still going. I do expect another swing failure pattern of that long right there. I'm just kind of watching this guy for entertainment. Again, you want to look at the mark price. That's really where the stop loss will be, or if the mark price matches that. Mark price is different. It's kind of like the market. I don't really know the exact formula for it, but yeah. Yeah, this is very interesting. Nevertheless, he has 8,000 viewers watching right now. But we're still streaming, man. We're still streaming. Oh, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. People are laughing. Oh, he's gonna close out, I think. I'll take a look at order flow on my other computer. I was expecting that second spring failure pattern. Good thing is that it was a decrease in volume compared to that other kind of drop down. So right now we're at 36 million volume. Again, it is the current candle. I want to see the volume decreasing. I want it to be less than 60 million nevertheless, but we're still going upwards. 37 million. He's down 14 grand right now. We're not at like really any support right now though, man. I want to take a long, but again, we're still having that 6 buying tail, 6 row buying tail at the moment. So that is a good thing. Who puts 40k? Yeah, no kidding. I heard from somewhere that it's like some kind of yeah, it must be. Yeah, I don't feel bad for my loss that I just took on stream anymore too, to be honest. But yeah, just going back to Exocharts again, I'm just comparing it to this candle right here. I want to see decrease in volume. Yes, we did get that. Comparing the two, just still a ton of negative delta. I don't really like that. I don't really like to see that. So again, yeah, I think he's gonna get liquidated. Yeah, he's setting a stop loss. think like liquidation fees on Bybit right now are 0.5%. Oh, he's closing out. So he lost 25 grand on stream. There we go, folks. Yeah, he's probably cussing. But still, this looks bad. We're way underneath the previous day low. Coming close to that support though. Again, the naked daily point control. Let's see if there was good volume on the candle. Okay, no. So that might not be an optimal support. Could still be a possibility that would come down to the golden pocket. Just what I'm seeing, again, based off of order flow. Still a ton of negative volume and negative delta. Not negative volume, but a lot of volume nevertheless. Open interest is increasing, so a lot more shorts coming in. I bet you this is spooking a lot of people though. Very interesting though. Again, possible another 2% move down. But anyways, this other green line is a parallel channel. Get rid of that one. Sorry for all the crap on my screen. Get rid of that. Oh, I think I drew two of the same exact ones, but I'll delete this one. But again, will be the retest of the high of the parallel channel. 0.5 fib level and a naked daily point of control. Naked daily point of control doesn't have too much volume back behind it. Again, I like to see a candle point of control that has at least 3 billion plus volume, or at least 2 billion. This is like 1.5 billion, and it is from the 29th, which was a Sunday. So again, a weekend trading, low volume, so really not too significant. But this is support number 1, and then support number 2. This support, I believe we could bust through the golden pocket a little bit, grab the single print beginning, and then that will act as support on its own kind of. But it does have nice confluence with the golden pocket. SPX is bouncing off that daily, so that's kind of good. Again, I'm not convinced of longing here. Yeah, it might be a cat and mouse game. Bitcoin moves like NASDAQ now. Here. Yeah. Pretty much. Oh, that would be rough. Fill this gap too. That'll be rough if we lose that. I think we're gonna lose that. That'll be a big move down. But yeah, you're right. It kind of moves like the NASDAQ. A lot of open interest. Again, those shorts aren't budging. Just more and more shorts coming into this. We've been streaming for 2.5 hours. Not bad. Yep, we're gonna keep on dropping. Volume is slowly decreasing. Still just more shorts pounding in. Jesus. Yeah, continuing downwards. Getting close to this naked session. Okay, I'm not really sure what he's doing now, but he's probably bearish or something. Oh, this isn't even him. Never mind. He called it a day. So I suppose I can get rid of this. This naked session might be insignificant, but I'll keep it there. Let's see here. Could be a possibility we retest a weekly open, but again, I'm not a genie with price like that. This is a nice range though. Could be a possibility we get acceptance within this range and then range a little bit before a move up. So we did bounce off of the fairly area high of that. Still not convinced. Yeah, we're gonna come down a little bit more. SPV. Yeah, we did fill those single prints. Is this what you're talking about? Open the SPV. Yeah, I'm not really sure what you mean. Oh, there's single prints way down here. Unless you're looking at like a totally different time frame. I don't use any other time frame on this. I only use a 30-minute. These single prints aren't really significant. Only a row size of 3. Oh, I guess if you mean this. Yeah, there is a naked session. Oh yeah, thank you for pointing that out. Oh wait, no, is there? I don't know, I think I'm losing my mind. Yeah, I don't remember. I don't really see anything. Oop. Well, down we go. I've been going for a minute. me see something. Alright, so possible fresh daily here. In hindsight, I won't really count this daily until it really closes, but I'll just mark it anyways. Might actually delete this daily up here. Looking at it now, we did get kind of a retest on this candle. And this candle too. And then way up here. Let me see here. Put this in the day. I'll still keep this weekly. It was a major pivot. But yeah, other than that, really not much else. Let me turn it off. Yeah, I don't use naked sessions based off of volume. I only use it on time. I've just learned they work a lot better for me and more well respected. So, yeah. I probably won't be on too much longer. Kind of looks like we're just gonna keep on going down. I'll do some open interest is increasing on this move down. Going to the 1 hour, again, same thing. 4 hour, I guess the same thing in a way. 12 hour, same type of deal. Again, I'm just looking at the single candle right now. Daily increase. A lot of longs opening, so you could probably just short and sort of pray right now. Again, I wouldn't really enter right now, but possibly on this retest of the 0.5, or actually this retest right here, can probably just keep on shorting it down. Again, just be aware of the supports. So the 0.5 and this trend line, or parallel channel, old parallel channel high. And then again, this golden pocket from this major move down at around 30,000. And then, of course, this weekly way down here. I think we're going to possibly get a bounce up, if anything, if we lose this range right here. But this is kind of the next zone of support that I'm looking at. So hopefully you guys learned something new on this 2.5 hour stream. It was fun trading, even though we did end up in a loss, but nevertheless,